Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for March 18th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. OpenAI just dropped smaller GPT models, and the Pentagon is cutting ties with Anthropic. Here's today's AI news. Introducing GPT 5.4 Mini and Nano. OpenAI has released two smaller, more efficient versions of their GPT 5.4 model. These mini and nano variants are specifically optimized for coding tasks, tool integration, and handling high-volume API requests, making them ideal for developers building applications with multiple AI subagents. This represents a strategic move to capture the growing market for lightweight, specialized AI models that can operate at scale without the computational overhead of larger systems. The Pentagon is developing alternatives to Anthropic, report says. Following their dramatic separation, the U.S. Department of Defense is reportedly building its own AI capabilities rather than continuing to work with Anthropic. This development highlights the growing importance of sovereign AI capabilities for national security, where governments want control over their foundational models rather than relying on commercial providers. The move could accelerate military AI development while raising questions about the future of public-private partnerships in defense technology. Ranking Engineer Agent, the autonomous AI agent accelerating Meta's ads ranking innovation. Meta has developed an autonomous AI system called the Ranking Engineer Agent that manages the entire machine learning lifecycle for their advertising ranking models. This agent can independently execute experiments, analyze results, and implement improvements without human intervention, dramatically speeding up the optimization process. The development represents a significant step toward fully autonomous AI systems that can manage complex technical workflows in production environments. Nematron 3 Nano 4B, a compact hybrid model for efficient local AI. Hugging Face and NVIDIA have collaborated on a new 4 billion parameter model designed to run efficiently on local devices. The Nemotron 3 Nano uses a hybrid architecture that balances performance with resource efficiency, making advanced AI capabilities accessible on consumer hardware without cloud dependency. This development addresses the growing demand for privacy-preserving AI applications that can operate offline while maintaining reasonable performance levels. Mistral bets on build your own AI as it takes on OpenAI, Anthropic in the enterprise. Mistral is launching Forge, a platform that allows enterprises to train custom AI models from scratch using their proprietary data rather than just fine-tuning existing models. This approach represents a different philosophy from competitors who focus on retrieval-augmented generation, giving companies complete control over their model architecture and training data. The move positions Mistral as a serious contender in the enterprise AI market, where data sovereignty and customization are critical concerns. Why Gary Tan's Claude code setup has gotten so much love and hate. A coding setup shared by entrepreneur Gary Tan using Claude AI has sparked intense debate in the developer community, with thousands trying the configuration and even AI models themselves weighing in with opinions. The controversy highlights how AI-assisted development workflows are becoming personal and philosophical choices, with developers forming strong preferences about how AI should integrate into their coding process. This represents a maturation of AI tooling where the discussion has moved beyond capability to workflow philosophy and personal preference. BuzzFeed debuts AI slop apps in bid for new revenue. BuzzFeed has launched new AI-powered social applications at SXSW, though initial demonstrations received mixed reactions from attendees. The company is attempting to pivot toward AI-generated content and interactive experiences as traditional digital media revenue models continue to face challenges. This move represents a high-stakes bet on whether AI can revive struggling media companies or if it represents another technological solution in search of a sustainable business model. More than meets the eye, NVIDIA RTX accelerated computers now connect directly to Apple Vision Pro. NVIDIA and Apple have collaborated to bring native integration between NVIDIA's Cloud XR platform and Apple's Vision Pro headset, enabling high-performance 3D applications and simulations to run on the mixed reality device. This partnership bridges the gap between professional workstation graphics and consumer mixed reality, potentially opening new applications in design, engineering, and training. The development represents a significant step toward making professional-grade 3D visualization accessible in portable mixed reality environments. NVIDIA, telecom leaders build AI grids to optimize inference on distributed networks. Telecommunications companies are working with NVIDIA to create distributed AI inference networks that can optimize performance across geographically dispersed infrastructure. As AI applications scale to millions of users and devices, telecom networks are becoming the next frontier for distributed computing, reducing latency and improving efficiency. This development could fundamentally change how AI services are delivered, moving from centralized cloud data centers to edge networks closer to end users. PixArt now allows creators to hire AI assistants through Agent Marketplace. The creative platform PixArt is launching a marketplace where users can access specialized AI agents for different creative tasks, starting with 4 agents and planning weekly editions. This represents a shift from general-purpose AI tools to specialized digital assistants that can be hired for specific creative functions, potentially changing how digital content is produced. The approach could democratize advanced creative capabilities while creating new economic models for AI service delivery. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's AI landscape shows rapid diversification, from OpenAI's efficient new models to the Pentagon's sovereignty push, from Meta's autonomous agents to telecom AI grids. The common thread is specialization, whether it's models optimized for specific tasks, platforms for particular industries, or agents for individual creative functions. We're moving beyond one-size-fits-all AI toward ecosystems of specialized tools. Don't forget, if you found this AI News Roundup valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for daily updates on artificial intelligence developments. What story surprised you most today? Let me know in the comments below.